Hi all, welcome to this video on how to create a Docker image and container without installing Docker in your laptop or desktop computer. Browse labs.playwithdocker.com and click on the Login button. Select Docker from the list. You can log in with username or email or with Google ID or GitHub ID. After logged in, click on the Start button to begin. You will get a screen like this. Click on Instance button. A new node is created with an IP address. In the terminal, we can enter a few Docker commands. Type Docker images for listing all Docker image files. To list all containers, type Docker container ls. Click on the Editor button to open Editor, where you can edit files. Now let's create a Node.js server file in the terminal using VI Editor. Type vi-server.js and press Enter. Type a simple code to create a server using HTTP core module and run it in the port 3000. That's it. For saving the file, press Escape button and type :WQ and press Enter. Click on the Editor button to see the created file. Open and edit if needed. Next is to create a Dockerfile to create a Docker image of the Node.js application. Type vi Dockerfile and press Enter. Type from node:20-alpine. This line will create a lightweight Node.js runtime. workdir/app. This line will create a working directory. Copy server.js. This line will copy the source file. Expose 3000. This line exposes the port the app runs on. cmd node server.js. This line run the application. Press Escape and type :WQ to save the file. Now we can build a Docker image with following command: docker build-t node-hello app and press Enter. Error in the Docker file. Open the Docker file and fix it. Remove the space between :and 20 and save the file and run docker build command. Docker image successfully created. Type Docker images command to see the Docker file. Let's create a Docker container using the image file. Type docker run-p 3000:3000 node-hello app and press Enter. Docker container started running. To terminate, press Ctrl+C. To see the container type, Docker container ls command and press Enter.